Let's look at this number-based question. It is common to WAEC, NECO, and JAMB examinations. So let's see how we find the value of x. If 132 to base x is equals to 70 to base 8. So solution. So we have 132 to base x equals 70 to base 8. Now, this is a number-based question. So the first thing we do is to convert each of these to a base 10. So what do we do first? We assign digits starting from 0, 1, 2. So we do the same thing here. This one is 0, 1. So now let's expand in terms of the base. So we are going to have 1 times x to the power of 2 plus 3 times x to the power of 1 plus 2 times x to the power of 0 is equals to then 7 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 0 times 8 to the power of 0. Now for this now, so x to the power of 2 times 1 still give us x to the power of 2 plus 3 times x to the power of 1 is x. So that will give us 3 times x. That is 3x plus 2. 2 times x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 times 1, that is 2, is equals to 7 times. So 8 to the power of 1, that is 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. Then plus, now 0 times 8 to the power of 0, that is 0. So from here on, so we can now say x squared plus 3x plus 2. Then here we have 56. So now we move this to the left hand side. So then we equate everything to 0. Now we have x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 56 is equal to 0. So now we have x squared plus 3x, then plus 2 minus 56. That will give us minus 54 equals 0. Now, we now have a quadratic equation. And to solve this, so what are the factors of minus 54 that at the end of the day, when we sum up the numbers, we are going to have the middle term, which is positive 3. So that is 9 and 6. 9 times 6 will give us 54. So we are going to have 9 times 6. So we can say plus 9 minus 6. So plus 9 minus 6, that will give us plus 3. And then when we multiply plus 9 times minus 3, that will give us minus 54. So we express the middle term in terms of the factors. So we have x squared plus 9x plus, minus 6x minus 54 equals 2. So now we can factorize now. So we have x. So x squared divided by this, we have x. Then 9x divided by x, we are going to have plus 9. Then here, 6 is common. So this divided by minus 6, we are going to have 6. Then minus 54 divided by 6. So we have plus 9. So we can see this is common. So we have x minus 6 x plus 9 is equals to 0. So each of them, we now equate them to 0. So we have x minus 6 equals 0, or x plus 9 equals 0. So x minus 6, so we move this, it's going to be x is equals to 6, or x is equals to minus 9. So the value of x is 6. And you can see from the options, so we have positive values of x. So the answer is 6. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.